Hello friends, welcome to my channel Empower. Here we will discuss the subject computer science. This is the first video. In this video, we are discussing the ISRO 2016 question paper in a detailed and thorough manner. So, what you will get in this channel? You will get all the study materials, question and solution, concept, everything related to computer science. So, my first lecture series will be on the questions of GATE and PSU. So here I am discussing the questions of 2016 computer science which are given in ISRO exam. So let's begin. This is the first question. I am reading this question out for you. So the question is, a hash function f is defined as f key equal to key mod 7 with linear probing. While inserting the keys are 37, 38, 72, 48, 98, 11 and 56 into a table indexed from 0, in which location the key 11 will be stored. Count table index 0 as the 0th location. So now let's solve this question. This question is about linear probing, which is related to the subject data structure, and as you know, linear probing is a one type of probe and which is the fast and simple probing. So to know about this linear probing, first we have to know what is the mod. So here you can clearly see that here it is key mod 7. Here the mod function is a mathematical function which gives you the remainder of something. Like for example, if I do 11 mod 7, it will give you 4. That means if you divide 11 with 7, you will get remainder 4. Like that, 21 mod 4 equal to 1. If you divide 21 by 4, the remainder will be 1. So in this video I am solving this question. So stay tuned with me. I will discuss all the subjects of computer science, where I will discuss what is linear probing. As of now, you can read what is linear probing from any standard textbook of data structure. So let's begin. So here there is no mention of what is the size of the hash function and which is not needed as well. So I am taking a hash function, a hash table, and now I will divide them into boxes which are like, here the values will be stored. So I am numbering them as mentioned in question. Count table 0 as index. Okay, so I am giving this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Okay, so in the question it is mentioned that they are asking where the key 11 will be stored. So as a rule of linear probing, we have to take the key in the order which is given. So first take 37. So if I divide 37, like 37 mod what is given? 7. Here key means the keys you have to insert. So 37 is the key. So if you divide 37 mod 7, the remainder will be 2. So in table 37 will go in the index 2. This is the rule of linear probing. What is the next? Next is 38. So like that, 38 mod 7, remainder will be 3. So it will go in the 3 where the index 3 is given. So it is go in the fourth, if you count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that I am inserting all the element. So the next element is 72. The 72 mod 7, 72 mod 7, which is 2. So you have, so this place is 2, but you can see that this is already filled by 37. So you have to probe for the next, that is 3, which is already filled. So probe for the next. What is it free? Yeah, it is free. So 72 will be placed here, like that. Next is 48. So 48 mod 7, it is I think 6. So 48 will go in the index 6. Okay. What is the next? 98. So 98 mod 7, it is I think 1 second. 98 mod 7 is 7 into 14. Yeah. So 98 mod 7 is 0. So it will go in location 0. What is 11? Now 11. 11 mod 4. 11 mod 7, which is 4. So it have to be probed in 4. But 4 is already filled. So it will probe for next, which is 11. Which is 5. So 11 will be placed here. And this is our answer. So the answer will be 5. So in which location the key 11 will be stored? The answer is 5. So this is the answer for the question. And there is one more key remaining, that is 56. So if you probe this 56 mod 7, which is actually 0. So it have to go to 0, but 0 is already filled. So it will go for this 56. So you have learned this question and answer. The answer is 5. Thank you for watching. If you feel these videos will be helpful for you, please subscribe for my channel, like and comment, and share with your friends. And stay tuned. I will discuss all the subject of computer science in a detailed manner. And this is my first video. So please stay tuned with me. Thank you.